As the title suggests, if I didn't forget to write down the title properly, this is not your typical random video. Or is it? In this video, you learn a few ways, which are no financial advice by the way, full disclaimer, on how to make money online, even if you have no skills, and maybe if you're a dog as well. Who knows? So you are a teenager, boy or a girl, and you want to make some side income with no background online, or you just want to help your current situation by covering some of your expenses. I'm making this video in response to the multiple DMs on Instagram I got lately on how to make money online. And yesterday, or whenever you're watching this video, I asked on my Instagram story, and you should follow me on Instagram if you want to participate in quizzes like this. What do you want to see in the next video? And most of you guys voted for make money online. And yes, I voted for e-commerce. It seems like I'm the only one who cares. But if you care as well, please comment in the comment section down below, #e-commerce. Regardless, the point is, you asked and I delivered, or am delivering right now. So make sure you stay until the end of the video, because there are some 3 tips that you need to know. First of all, forget about getting rich, making a fortune, thinking only about money, and concentrate on quality or getting good at your craft. So no matter which of those 3 things that I will mention you choose, and they can be done separately or together combined, and I'm sure many of you guys are pretty creative, combine number 3 with number 1, number 2 is already combined with number 3, but you need to get good at your craft. This is the point. This skill must be something that you potentially can be good at, even though you might be really bad at it right now. For example, are you good with people? Did you find yourself showing compassion or always helping your friend make the best decision when you're in a group to go to the right place to eat? And in fact, the right place was the place you wanted all along. And you just managed to convince anybody. Yes, you might not have any sales experience, but yes, you might have the potential. Maybe marketing or sales might be something to consider at. And this is basically covered mostly in step 2. But if you want to do copywriting, you can also use it and apply it to step 1. I know you're probably wondering what are those steps. Wait a minute. Do you hate people? Or do you feel awkward talking to people or convincing them of something? Do you hate the corporate structure, capitalism, the monetary system as a whole? I don't know how to help, but you might want to consider the first option. I don't know about that, but since we started talking about number 2, I think we should get to the point and start from number 1. I mean, this is the proper way to start, right? 1, 2, 3, right? See, you might be good at sales. There's still hope. The first idea on how to make money online is develop a high income skill. What is a high income skill? We will go over 3 high income skills that seem to be in high demand. First of all, there's a growing interest of people making money online on YouTube with compilation videos. But you know, there's a very important saying regarding that and regarding business as a whole, and it is, you remember the gold rush? Who made the most money out of the gold rush? Was it the people that went to the gold rush? No, it was the mining companies that sold the mining equipment. The idea was the gold rush. The people supporting the idea were the mining companies. First example, you can be the mining company. So people want to make money online right now, and I'll share this secret with compilation channels. Maybe it's not even a secret. I have a video about it in the cards above. So what you can do to help them is they might be editing their videos themselves because they use fair use, you know, they use CC videos, Creative Commons videos, but they cannot make good thumbnails. So if you can make good thumbnails, you can make between 1.6 and 10 bucks, as you can see on Fiverr here, a link for Fiverr in the description down below. And I can tell you a good thumbnail like that might take you less than 5 minutes if you're good, 30 minutes if you're bad. 10 bucks for that amount of time. Personally, I think that's a good deal. Obviously, you won't get a lot of clients at the start, but why not? Start right now, charge less than everybody else, try to see if you get the snowball effect. The second high income skill is video editing. And obviously, it's connected to the first high income skill, especially for YouTubers like me. We need video editors. It's a really good job because when you get a client, unlike selling a product, the brand loyalty is really high. It's like with developers. You will never stop using that developer or editor, because why would you change him? The brand loyalty is very strong. You like the service, if nothing bad happens, you stick together. Thumbnail creations, perfect for that. Video editing, perfect for brand loyalty as well. On video editing, you can start charging a little bit on Fiverr. You can check some offers there for video editing, undercut them, maybe test a few videos for yourself, and it's an actual paying job that you can get paid monthly, because some people will do videos every single day, so you have an income to. So my dog is running the video. So you have a side or main income that you can potentially rely on. Another thing that might be good if you're doing good at sales, or if you're not good at sales but wrote essays in school, which I think you should be able to do, is blog articles, making articles for websites on topics. For example, they tell you make an article about guitars, 200, 500 words. You do that, you get paid from $5 to $200. Obviously it depends on the word count, on the quality. You start out small, maybe you do 2 for $5, but as you progress, clients come back and you can gain consistent income out of it. Maybe you won't get rich. Oh, if you want to learn more about compilation channels, card videos above. Second idea is affiliate marketing. It's selling someone else's product and getting a commission out of it. What's better than that? You don't create the product, you don't take any risk, you just get a commission on sales. How do you do that? How do you choose a product? ClickBank. Here is a list of some of the categories over here. List art or sport, like there must be something you're not particularly bad at. Number 3, which actually can be combined with number 2 and number 1. I know you can figure out some ideas, and if you figured out some ideas, please comment them in the comment section down below and let's get a healthy conversation going. Create a niche Instagram page. Repost posts or ask for credits from the owners, or use copyright-free images, or use your own images. Use Canva, make some nice posts for your feed, schedule them, for example with buffer, so you can have multiple pages. Grow an Instagram page, and I have a lot of videos on this channel about Instagram growth, so you might want to check them out if you're interested in particularly that, or how to make money on social media. There's a bunch of options. I have a link for this in the cards about how to make money on social media without having a website. And after that, you can sell affiliate products on your Instagram page. You can sell your own courses on your Instagram page. You can be niched, and if you pass a few thousand followers, you'll be reached from a number of people for shoutouts. Or you can use platforms like Shoutcard or something else to get people directed to you regarding shoutout. If you like this video, make sure you annihilate this like button. No, not the dislike button, the like button. Or I gotta warn you that you might gain 2 kilograms today. And if you are a female, a woman, so to speak, you might gain 2.5 kilograms, and you might age 1 year faster. So consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. This is no financial advice, this is no medical advice, but you should know that a video a day keeps the doctor away. You should check this video or this video, and I'm glad you stayed until the end.